Okay, so first principles is a very, very common question. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to call the thing that we've got y there, I'm going to call it my function of x. So my function of x is x squared plus 10x. And then I have my f of x plus h is the next thing I want to work out, which is x plus h all squared plus 10 lots of x plus h. So all I've done there is I've adjusted, instead of putting x in and squaring x and adding 10 of the x, I'm putting something else in. So I'm squaring that and adding 10 of that. So I can simplify this. X plus h all squared is a common expansion to know. Is x squared plus 2hx plus h squared. You could sit there and work it all out, that expansion every time. But it's much faster to learn it and go straight to it. So plus 10x plus 10h. Okay, then I'm going to come to this part of the formula. So f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Okay, so my f of x plus h is this x squared plus 2hx plus h squared plus 10x plus 10h. And I want to take away all of this f of x. So all of that is being taken away. X squared plus 10x. And that's all over h. So let's see what happens here. Well, we should be able to, if we're doing this right, everything in the bracket should be able to cancel. So I've got an x squared there minus an x squared. And I've got a 10x there minus 10x. Oops. So they're going to cancel out. And that will leave me with 2hx plus h squared plus 10h all over h. Now the top line we can take h out as a factor because it's in every term. So 2x plus h plus 10, and I'm going to divide that by h. And what we have again is we've got something that can cancel because we're multiplying by h and dividing by h, so they will cancel out, which leads us to 2x plus h plus 10. And there's nothing more we can do to simplify this, so we're actually ready to look at our dy by dx. So the gradient of the curve that I'm looking for is the limit as h goes to 0 of this 2x plus h plus 10. So that means that my dy by dx is going to be, well, if h goes to 0, 2x doesn't have anything to do with h, so that's going to stay as 2x. Plus h is going to become plus 0, so that's not going to be there. And the plus 10 has nothing to do with h either, so it's going to stay as plus 10.